The 2026 Cadillac Lyriq V is the first electric vehicle to sport the V-Series badge, which is known for its performance. Two powertrain options are available for the contemporary Lyriq. One electric motor with 340 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque powers the rear-wheel drive system. All-wheel drive models increase the Lyriq's total output to 500 horsepower and 450 pound-feet by adding a second front-mounted motor. The dual-motor all-wheel drive system of the Lyriq V increases the powertrain's maximum output to 615 horsepower and 650 pound-feet. To fully unleash the power, a new Velocity Max mode is required. Additionally, a V-mode button on the steering wheel enables easy access and adjustment of the music pumped into the cabin, pedal response, and steering feel. According to Caddy, the upgraded vehicle can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. The 500 horsepower AWD Lyriq we tested reached 60 miles per hour in 4.6 ticks, so the V is a significant increase. The company says it's the fastest Cadillac ever, in addition to being the fastest Lyriq in the lineup. The EV SUV's estimated driving range naturally hits as a result of the power increase. The range estimate of the Lyriq V decreases from 307 miles in the standard dual-motor model to 285 miles in the performance variant, while having the same 102.0 kWh battery as all other versions. The suspension system that the V rides on was modified especially for the Lyriq. In contrast to other Cadillac's magnetic ride control, it comes with standard continuous damping control, which is a valve-based system. The suspension, according to the firm, is adjusted for comfort during regular driving rather than for speed. The fact remains that this is a Lyriq. The style differences of the Lyriq V are somewhat modest. The addition of the V-Series logos to the tailboard and rear doors is the most noticeable. Similar to previous V-Series vehicles, the Lyriq is distinguished from its smaller siblings by a body-colored lower trim, a distinctive lower front fascia, and a set of side rockers. The optional carbon fiber accents are always an option if none of those modifications are enough to make the V-Series stand out. Inside, the Lyriq V continues Cadillac's commitment to luxury. The cabin is crafted with high-end materials, including leather upholstery, premium wood accents, and soft-touch surfaces. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with plenty of room for both front and rear passengers. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving system is available for highway driving, adding to the convenience factor. One of the standout features of the Lyriq V's interior is the expansive 33-inch curved LED touchscreen that serves as the central hub for infotainment. It's a crisp, responsive display that integrates navigation, climate control, and other functions seamlessly. The system is powered by Google's Android OS, providing easy access to apps like Google Maps and the Google Play Store. Cadillac continues to impress with the Lyriq V's suite of advanced technology. The vehicle comes with a next-generation driver assistance package that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a variety of sensors and cameras for added safety. In addition to the Super Cruise hands-free system, the Lyriq V offers a range of other tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a powerful audio system that can turn the SUV into a mobile concert hall. According to Cadillac, the new Lyriq V will go into production early this year and go on sale at a starting price of $79,990.